Hey guys, it's a random baller. Where I live, we're under severe storm warning, so just gonna shoot a while of this. See if we can catch any lightning. Yeah, this is crazy. It's raining. It's thundering. Picking up rain. It says, thunder means lightning's coming, so wow, rain is picking up. Yeah, lightning's too fast to be caught. Now it's pouring hugely. Look at this thing, it's like overflowing already. It just started to rain crazily. This thing's insane. I feel like a storm chaser, but I'm getting sprayed and I'm basically in my house. Whoa! Whoa! This is insane. It's pelting rain. Rain is blowing in at me. Did you see that purple flash? You saw that. There's that lightning striking my house when I was like, look at this crap. That's right. Look at the road. Yeah, that purple flash, that's lightning. Dude, look at this rain. Dude, this is freaking insane. Bro! Freaking awesome! Woo! Footage. Guys, you can barely drive in this. Look, now that's orange. That was blinking white. It's orange. I don't know what's happening. This is not fake. This wasn't supposed to happen. Looking at that. That's rushing water. My porch is overflowing. This is not right. Look at that. It's freaking insane. I just came home from baseball practice 20 minutes ago. If I was in some baseball, all the doors were locked to our school, I would be screwed. We'd be standing in this porch. Look at this. Franklin County, Columbus, Ohio, under severe storm warning. Look at that flash. This is insane. Look, my shoes are all wet. This is crazy. I'm gonna try to wrap this up. My pod's dying. Let's get one more good frickin' strike of lightning. Dude, bam, you saw it. Look at this. This is not right. I'm gonna run you out of this real quick. And then run back in. Yeah. Guys, we're outside.